We'll guide you through how to download a video from Dropbox using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account if you aren't already. Once you're in, navigate to the folder where your video is located. Find the video file you want to download. Hover your mouse over the video thumbnail and you'll see a few icons appear on the right side. Click on the three dots or the ellipsis icon to open the options menu. From the drop-down, select Download. Depending on your browser settings, the video should start downloading automatically or prompt you to save the file. If prompted, choose the download location on your computer and hit Save. The video file will now be downloading to your chosen destination. Keep track of the download progress in your browser's download manager. Once the download is complete, you can find your video in the location you selected. If you're downloading large files, make sure you have enough space on your device and a stable internet connection for a smooth download process. And there you have it. Your video is now safely downloaded from Dropbox to your computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.